Hi everyone, we're going to find the antiderivative using variable substitution for the integral of x minus 1 divided by the square root of x minus 1 dx. Alright, we're going to look at this denominator. We want to write everything in terms of t. Sometimes you can use u, I'll use t here. So we let square root of x plus 1 equal t. Alright, so if you square both sides, you're going to get x plus 1 equals t squared. Or x equals t squared minus 1. Also, let's look at this piece here and differentiate with respect to t. So for that, we get the x will be 1 times the derivative of x with respect to t. And on the right-hand side, you're going to get 2t, and that's times the derivative of t with respect to t. Well, that just equals 1. I like to put it there just to remind you that's just 1. You cross multiply, and you're going to get dx equals 2t dt. So I just cross multiplied here. All right, now let's see what we can do. We have x here. Well, x equals t squared minus 1. So we're going to substitute that x as t squared minus 1. Then we also have this minus 1. Also, we had the square root of x plus 1 equals t. So I'm going to put a t here. Dx equals 2t dt. Now everything's in terms of t. Now let's see what we get for this. The t's will cancel here. And we're going to get the integral of t squared minus 2. And I can pull this 2 in front here. And then write dt. So integrating this, we're going to get this equals 2 times, for this piece, that would be 1/3 t cubed minus 2t, and then put plus c. Let's call it c1. And when you distribute the 2/3, you're going to get 2/3 t cubed minus 4t plus 2t c1. Now what I'm going to do next is substitute in for my t's. So we know what t is. T is square root of x plus 1. So that's what I'm going to substitute in here. I'm also going to look at that 2c1, this is an arbitrary c, can equal an unknown c. So we're just going to rewrite this as c. Okay, so this next step is going to equal 2/3, and then we had the t cubed, so this is going to be square root of x plus 1 cubed. Then we had minus 4t, so that's 4 times the square root of x plus 1. Then we had plus c. And that would basically be your answer, but if you want to, you can simplify this. Let's break this up. Remember, this is really x plus 1 to the power of 3/2. So I can rewrite this as 2/3 times x plus 1 times square root of x plus 1. That's equivalent to this. Minus 4 times the square root of x plus 1 plus c. And then factor out this common factor. So we have this piece and this piece. So if I factor out a x squared plus 1, I'm going to get 2/3 times the square root of x plus 1. And then on the inside, I'm going to have this x plus 1. And for here, I'll just have minus 4 plus c. This is going to give me equal to 2/3 times this piece here is going to be x minus 3, and then we're going to have square root of x plus 1 plus c. So sometimes they'll simplify to this answer here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.